Today, I am reviewing the mohomo Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner that really delivers, the mohomo 650W 55 kilopascals cordless vacuum cleaner is an absolute game changer for home cleaning. Right out of the box, you'll notice the sleek red design that not only looks modern, but also features a self-standing stick structure, so you don't have to worry about finding a place to prop it up. Powered by a 650W brushless motor spinning at 210,000 revolutions per minute, this vacuum provides an impressive 55 kilopascals of suction. That means it can easily handle crumbs on hardwood floors, deep carpet fibers, pet hair, and even dust in corners and high places, all without being excessively loud, staying below 58 decibels in normal mode. You'll get a thorough clean without disturbing your household. Battery life is another standout feature. With 8x2800 mAh high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, you can run the vacuum for up to 70 minutes on the lowest suction mode, which is more than enough to clean an entire home. Even at max suction mode, it still gives 20 minutes of powerful performance, making it ideal for both quick touch-ups and deeper cleaning sessions. And thanks to its self-standing design, storage and recharging is effortless. Just plug it in, and it's ready to go next time. The OLED touchscreen adds a futuristic touch. It lets you switch between suction modes, monitor remaining battery, and check the vacuum status in real time. Large, easy-to-read icons make operation simple, and the ergonomic handle design ensures cleaning is comfortable for extended periods. For homes with pets, the flexible V-shaped anti-tangle brush is a lifesaver. It combines soft and firm bristles with a combed V shape, reducing hair entanglement while protecting floors and transitioning smoothly from hardwood to carpet. And with LED lights on the brush head, you can easily see and clean under furniture or in dark corners, making sure nothing is missed. Filtration is equally impressive. The vacuum features a cyclonic HEPA filtration system, capturing 99.99% of large and fine dust particles, keeping your home air fresh and reducing allergens. The 1.8-liter dust container means fewer stops to empty the bin, making cleaning faster and more efficient. Finally, mohomo backs this vacuum with excellent customer support and a 3-year warranty. Whether you need troubleshooting tips or assistance with battery or suction issues, their 24/7 support team ensures you'll have a worry-free experience. Overall, the mohomo 650W 55 kilopascals cordless vacuum cleaner combines powerful suction, long battery life, smart touch controls, anti-tangle technology, and high-efficiency filtration into one versatile, modern stick vacuum. It's perfect for hardwood floors, carpets, pet hair, cars, and homes of all sizes, making it an essential cleaning companion for any household.